What's up guys, welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to create your own EDL cable. Alright, so let's go to see how to do this. Here is the normal cable type C, and there are 4 lines, okay, and 4 colors line in the normal cable type C, and there are 4, okay. The black color, the green, the red, and the white color, and we have to make the connection between the black and the green, and we have to make sure the connection is completely connected. We must have another normal cable plugged into the USB, as the EDL cable also plug into the USB that we have already created. Okay, this is the normal one. All right, as an example, I gonna test on Samsung Flip 3. Okay, firstly I need to turn on the device manager to make sure that the phone is connected to the PC. Wait a minute. All right, so let's go. We have to press the volume down, okay, many times. Okay, press many times, and then plug the EDL cable, and let's see the screen. If there is no something happen, that means the phone is in EDL mode, and then we have to quickly plug the normal cable. Okay, here is the normal cable into the phone, and then the phone will be connected to the PC after we choose erase FOP or factory reset. So everybody, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell for the future video. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.